One of my friends recently converted his oil heat in his house to natural gas. And when he needed to get rid of the old tank that was full of oil, he was getting quotes from plumbers and scrap yards for thousands of dollars in order to dispose of the oil tank. I suggested to him that he go on Facebook Marketplace and put it up, thinking worst case scenario, he'll get someone to come and remove the oil for free. He ended up getting dozens of people and quickly and for free got rid of the oil tank from his house. There is a business lesson to learn from this story. We have to find partners and vendors that align with our business needs and have capabilities and are positioned to maximize opportunities with us. The plumber could have gotten the job done, but the plumber's incentive was to bill out the labor costs and generate revenue for his business, as opposed to the people on Facebook Marketplace were in the market looking for oil tanks, looking to get free oil. The incentives lined up for both parties. In the IT asset disposal space that we operate in, there's many providers that don't know how to maximize the value on reusable equipment. Maybe they don't know how to test data center equipment or repair laptops. As opposed to us, we're a sophisticated provider that brings in equipment, tests, wipes, inventories, and provides maximum returns on surplus IT equipment. Some customers might be happy getting pennies on the pound for their e-waste, but we're paying customers hundreds of thousands of dollars, if not millions, because we're positioned to reuse the equipment. It's possible that you're paying for disposal services because that's the best deal you're going to get according to the equipment that you're getting rid of. It's also possible that you're working with the plumber instead of the ITAD. For more tips like this, make sure to follow IT Asset Management Group.